The first 14 years with whom you live plays a major role on your life. Kids should not live with dull people first 14 years. I tell you, first 14 years you should live in an enlightened community. Last 20 years you should live in a place where people live for a long time without depression. Understand? These two periods, this first 14 years, if you live in a community where the intelligence, knowledge-based community, your life will be the best in the world. If you live the last 20 years in a community where people live long without depression, means you accepted the aging gracefully. If you have depression, you have not accepted aging gracefully. If you are sick and not living healthily, you are not aging gracefully. Healthy, peaceful, happy old age. If you are able to live in that kind of a community, understand, your death will be the great gift. This is what I call cosmic airport, where the landing and takeoff happens in a very intelligent way. Small mistake in landing will be an accident. Small mistake in taking off will be an accident. The first 14 years, kids should live in a place where many computers have internet access. Many brains have the balance access, the sixth sense access. One important thing you need to know. In the internet, if you give only the LAN connection, all computers will have the access to the internet. In computers. In brain, even if 5-6 brains have the cosmic connection, if 10 more people are added to live in that place, all the other 10 will automatically pick it up. You don't need anything. Just all other 10 will automatically pick it up. Some of the researchers say that in a village where this polio prevention drops are given, if you give just 40% of the kids, all other 60% of the kids automatically get immune. In the 100 kids, if you just give 40 kids the medicine and come away, all other 60 kids, not only they have not taken medicine, they don't even know about the medicine, but their body gets developed in such a way, automatically they get immune. So there is something between the kids which transmits the energy and understanding. Unfortunately, the kid's body and mind always gets tuned to the highest possibility. When you grow up, you are always in tune with the lowest possibility. You see 10 people, wow, even this worst way I can live, that's great. Then catch the worst thing. That is why the adult communities are always failure. Because when you enter the community, you find out the lowest possibility and you put that as a benchmark and tune yourself and happy. But the kids, they catch the highest possibility and imbibe that. So the first 14 years, kids living in a place where more people have awakened or working on awakening the non-mechanical parts of the brain will do so much good which cannot even be told by words. just living. See, accessing the cosmic information center is not like a technique need to be taught step by step. Just if the kids know, wow, this kind of a person, extraordinary intelligence exists, that's all they need to know. That conviction is the internet access, that's all. Now the information which I said, that like this I had access to the information which was not fed to me through the eyes or ears. If they know that, that's enough. Their sixth sense, the balance, will just get awakened and will start functioning. And you will see in few days they also start expressing informations which was never fed to them through through the hearing or seeing. Over. I am opening up a great new possibility. Our Gurukul system is nothing but awakening the non-mechanical parts of the brain, that internet access. That's all. Ordinary education system, the Western education system, the book-based education system, the information education system, information-based education system, teaches you how to use your brain as a computer, personal computer, PC. But N-based education system, the Gurukul system, which I am creating, teaches you how to use your brain, use your computer as the internet access system. When you awaken the balance, the sixth sense, with a simple reminding you, it is your inborn tendency, innate intelligence, nothing else. You are with it, just do it. You'll see the kids will start using their brain more like computer with internet access, where the informations are available which is not fed through that computer. Any information, any knowledge created at any time in the planet Earth is available. All you need is plug the internet connection and know that you can access and download and process. The balance, the sixth sense, is not just World Wide Web. It is Cosmos Wide Web, CWW. It's not WWW. Any information created at any time can be accessed, processed and delivered.